Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm just gonna run through a quick tour of my place here in Phnom Penh, Cambodia. I've been here a month, so I'm gonna let you know what I pay, what comes with the place, what didn't come with the place. And yeah, my buddy Bob is gonna help out in case I happen to forget anything. Yeah, I wanna spill all the beans on this sucker. Don't worry. All right, so welcome to my apartment. I'll just start off at the very first thing, which is the door. This is my buddy. I like my door because it's nice, it's thick, it's keeps me safe, it makes me feel safe because I'm not always here all the time. So knowing that my place can't just be, the door just can't be kicked down makes me very comfortable when I'm not here. And then if you look here, you'll see a whole bunch of storage space and things that people would put there, but yeah, you don't own anything, so nothing really goes there. Yes, that's right. It's just an empty space, but if I had things and possessions, this would be a great place to put them. We got a gas stove. It came with all the pots and pans. The gas is included. It came with a set of silverware, just like 2 knives, 2 forks, like basically just the bare minimum. But it's just me here and Bob, the silly ass puppet. So if I had a family, I would definitely want to buy more. But for me, this is perfect. And then over here, we have my fridge. And the most important thing in the house, keeps me alive, my honey bunches of oats. Can't live without it. The unit has a washer. It works perfectly fine. It's both a washer and dryer combo. It does it. It's nothing special, but it does the trick. It washes it, and then doesn't dry it that well. But you just hang it outside. It's fine. It's fine. Then over here is my breakfast nook. Breakfast nook. This ain't no nook. This is just a table, bro. Why are you getting all fancy? Yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point, Bob. This is just a breakfast table, but this is where I have my meals. And yeah, that's all I really need. It came with the dishes. It came with the dishes. It came with all the everything, all the furniture in here came with the place. Then over here is my. Oh, let's go into the bathroom first. Help me out. Help me out there, Bob. All right, help me out, Bob. All right, good job. You earned your stay here. This is my luxurious bathroom. It actually is pretty nice. It's got a nice sliding door with a little glazed, so you can just see me naked, blurred naked, not like fully naked, but just blurred a little bit. So that's nice. Don't want to traumatize anybody completely. Water heater, stand-in, walk-in shower, toilet. I let the seat up because I'm a savage. Let's move on. Over here, got my living space, and this is where Bob sleeps. Yeah, it's hot as hell at night, and this cheap ass doesn't turn the air conditioning on. All the furniture here was provided and came with the apartment when I got here. So that's really nice because it just is. Over here we got my TV. I think it's a 42-inch, came with the place. This thing only plays like 1 channel in English, and it for some reason it plays the Karate Kid like 24/7 all day long, just all the time on repeat, nonstop. It's kind of driving me crazy. But other than that, you have this nice long table. It's really nice wood. But this is where I work. It just makes a perfect workstation. The wall here, this is actually brick. It's not like some silly, false wallpaper type thing. Out here is the thing, and then it's nice. It's not huge, but It's got a nice view of my area. I think I'm on floor 10. That's about it for that. And in here, my bedroom. Lots of storage space, which is great for my, 5 pairs of clothes. Nice little backdrop. I didn't even bother making my bed for this video. I'm watching a movie on the bed because I'm tired of watching The Karate Kid. Air conditioning, of course. You have to have it here. I'm pretty good with the heat. I'm pretty used to the heat in Southeast Asia, but even I need to retreat to a nice cold place at the end of the day. And I love, I'm from Chicago, in the United States. We have very cold winters. I'm used to sleeping in the cold. I make it very cold at night. Yeah, girls hate sleeping over at my place because they're always freezing. But let's run over the numbers real quick. So But yeah, that's about it for my place. But let me run over the numbers real quick. So it's 440 per month, and I've been here 1 month so far. It's been great. The electric services are about 25 kilowatt per hour, and yeah, so that's about it. So I'll just run through the numbers real quick. This place is like $440 per month. I've been here 1 month. It comes included with all the furniture, and this annoying puppet. It also comes with Wi-Fi and coupled one channel in English for the TV. A cleaner comes every week, and the electricity is 26 cents per kilowatt. I love living here.